Deep in the forests of Oregon lies Pine Hollow Lake, a place where locals fear the water after midnight. My cousin Jason Reed had just started working as a park ranger near the lake. He never believed in ghost stories. A few cabins away lived Martha Collins, a lonely old woman who spent every evening staring into the lake. Years ago, Martha lost her son Adam in a mysterious boating accident, and people said she was never the same afterward. One stormy November night, Jason was returning from patrol when he noticed someone standing near the dock. At first, Jason thought Martha was alone, until he saw a dark figure standing beside her. The figure didn't move like a human. It looked like living darkness drifting across the storm.
Adam, you finally came back for me.
Together, they slowly walked toward the freezing black water. Jason sprinted toward the dock, screaming for Martha to stop. And then, the figure vanished into the storm. The next morning, the sheriff revealed the horrifying truth about Adam's death. Before Adam drowned, witnesses heard him screaming about a black figure calling his name from the middle of the lake.
3 days later, Martha Collins died peacefully in her sleep.
But even today, some people claim they still see two figures standing together at the edge of Pine Hollow Lake before disappearing into the fog forever.